All right, another Go High Level tutorial, and today I'm going to be talking about how to review your statistics for your email campaigns that you've sent out so you could level up your email marketing. All right, so we're going to go over that right now. All right, so we are in one of our accounts for one of our customer. Her name is Debbie Giordano, and we're going to go and go to marketing and we're going to go check out her campaign and we're going to see her statistics. And as you can see here, this is the March newsletter that went out. And if you click on the three dots, you can see statistics. And here at the very top is the uh, details of the campaign that went out. As you can see here, 661 was attempted, 597 were sent out, 64 was skipped. Now, 64 was skipped probably because they have the do not disturb set for the email, so they previously unsubscribed. And if you click on here, we're going to go and load more statistics. We're going to go look at the details. As you can see, 100% delivered, 26.13% was open, 1.1% was clicked. And then in this case, we're not tracking conversion because she's not selling anything in this specific email. We're going to go, when you see soft bounce, hard bounce, unsubscribe, and spam, always like to see zeros. If you see a specific number here, that's not a good indication. So you always want to make sure that these stay zero. All right. And if you click on this, this will show you in numbers. As you can see, 597 delivered, 156 open, and 6 were clicked. Okay. And then we're going to scroll down. I'm going to click this, make sure put it back. And then we're going to scroll down and look at the details. Now, this shows you 597 were delivered, and it shows you all of the emails associated with it that went out. And if you clicked on open, as you can see here, 156 was open and all of the emails associated with it. And then if you clicked on click, you see that these six were people that actually clicked on it. So this is a good indication of possible hot leads of people that actually are looking at your emails. And if you see these people continuing to click on the link, they're watching the video, or in this case, we embedded a video, a link to a video, a YouTube video. And so these are good people for you to potentially go and follow up with, right? And if there are hard bounces, soft bounces, complain, and unsubscribe, you could take a look at these. And if somebody has unsubscribed, it's a possibility for you to follow up and see why they unsubscribe, if you choose to do so. One thing I want to make note of, so more and more, you should not rely on the open rate. So the industry standard is probably 20-25% open rate, but you should not rely on that. More importantly, on how engaged your email list is, the reply as well as the click rate. How many people are actually clicking on an email that you sent out, as well as how many people are replying to the email. And that's really something you should focus on. And also, when you're reviewing the statistics, this is a good time to look at your subject line heading and making sure that your subject line uh, is going to entice people to open your emails. All right. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.